Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.
So, one of my friends asked me how difficult it is to record episodes, podcast episodes in general, because I think I'm close to 90 episodes at this point. And I have been wanting to do this for a long time. The thing that I told him is the recording part and the process of it is not difficult at all. It it is way more easy than we think. I think the difficult part is the first step that you take and the amount of self criticism that you need to go through कि परफेक्ट है कि नहीं, कितना लोग सुनेंगे, या फिर if I should get started with it in the first place. Similar to the things that I've mentioned in the previous episode as well, and kahi na kahi, the things that have stopped me from starting something of my own, because this person, the friend that was talking to me, also wanted to start creating something on a regular basis for their creativity. And yeah, I just told them, once you get over yourself and all of those notions that you have around creating, because naturally, since it's something you're doing for the first time, you have a lot of judgments around it. And yeah, you put yourself up to so much scrutiny कि तुम खुद को ही पैरालाइज कर लेते हो from taking the first step. But once you do that, it becomes an exciting journey. फर्स्ट स्टेप लिया तो ऐसा लगता है कि चलो शुरू तो कर दिया, एटलीस्ट नाउ आई एम आउट ऑफ दैट जोन ऑफ करूँ ना या ना करूँ. तो पहले वीडियो में वो हो जाता है. फिर दूसरा तुम बनाते हो, तभी यू सी योर ग्रोथ. Even if it's like a very tiny percent, you see some growth and that gives you confidence. So now you feel excited to do it again. फिर तीसरे स्टेप में तुम कुछ और नया सीखते हो, and then you want to accumulate all of that growth and effort and create the fourth one. And that's how you keep building momentum. And at some point, it becomes your second nature. You don't need to worry about how will I get past this and how difficult it is. वो तभी होता है जब तुम एंड रिजल्ट सोच के चल रहे हो अपने दिमाग में कि मुझे एक ऐसा शानदार वीडियो बनाना है जो हिला देगा इंटरनेट को. अभी अगर तुमने वो व्यू लेके चल रहे हो स्टार्ट, तो कैसे तुम स्टार्ट करोगे? योर फर्स्ट वीडियो इज ऑब्वियसली नॉट गोइंग टू मैच योर एक्सपेक्टेशंस. एंड वंस यू हैव बिल्ट दैट नोशन इन योर हेड कि मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशन इतनी है और मेरा फर्स्ट वीडियो तो वहां तक पहुंचेगा ही नहीं, तो आगे की चीजें पैन आउट होना is next to impossible. But once you ease yourself into the process and be like, भी नहीं बन रहा है शायद अच्छा, but the 50th one, the 100th one, the 500th video will be good and you will enjoy the process, then it's like a good measure to get along with and get started on your journey. So yeah, I think the thing that worked for me is the excitement to share these things and how I saw myself growing throughout that process, and how I always looked forward to recording an episode as soon as I had an insight or something that I wanted to share online. So, yeah, I have let go of any sort of expectations and it is so freeing. I can't tell you. वरना वो constant judgment खुद को ही लेके is the worst place to be in. And yeah, I would rather not think about it. I would rather make 100 failed attempts and learn from it instead of letting my mind come up with all sorts of ideas about why this won't work out. So, yeah, I've not had any unrealistic expectations with this. I don't hold myself up to very high standards. That said, I understand the nature of these things and I know that I need to up my game with time. बट आई फील वो नेचुरली हो जाएगा, वो प्रोसेस के थ्रू होगा, वो फर्स्ट स्टेप में नहीं होगा. क्योंकि एक बिगिनर को तुम कैसे एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो एडवांस लेवल की चीज क्रिएट करने को जब उन्होंने उतने स्टेप्स लिए ही नहीं है अब तक, जो वो जर्नी फॉलो करके ही आएगा। सो या वो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन एक ही दिन में एक्सपेक्ट करना इज़ नॉट वाइज़ एनी व्हिच वेज़। So my advice would only be, if you enjoy something, get over yourself and get started with building that momentum. The first video will be crappy. The second one will make you feel better about yourself that, oh my God, I am actually doing this. The third one will make you look back at the mistakes you've made, the growth you are seeing in yourself, and that will inspire you to get ahead. So the growth, the excitement, the inspiration, these are the things that get you going in the long term. And हाँ, फिर ईज़ी हो जाता है। फिर तुम 100 तक पहुँच गए तो इट स्टार्ट्स टू फील लाइक अ केक वॉक कि अब मैं मैनेज कर सकता हूँ, कर सकती हूँ। सो या वी नीड टू गेट टू द प्लेस ऑफ वो 100 वाला मार्क पहुँचने में ही लोग गिव अप कर देते हैं, फीलिंग लाइक दे आर नॉट गुड इनफ। But as long as you're enjoying it, you're seeing growth, you're getting inspired by the whole process and the person that you're becoming, that inspiration, that growth from your failures, that confidence that you build, you want more of that in your life. You want to see yourself prosper. तो तुम ऑटोमेटिकली उस चीज की तरफ खींचे चले जाओगे एंड यू वुड वांट टू डू मोर ऑफ इट। सो वी वांट टू क्रिएट a situation where we feel pulled towards creating the thing and not resistance, creating more resistance around creating it with our thoughts and with what people talk about it, or comparing ourselves to others, or putting ourselves on a very high pedestal कि मैंने निकाला है तो बेस्ट ही होना चाहिए वरना नहीं करूँगा मैं अपलोड। No, be human, make mistakes. It's okay. That's how people can relate to you. And yeah, I guess that's all that I wanted to share with this one. If you made it this far, thank you so much for listening. And I'll see you in the next one. Sorry for the abrupt ending. My parents have been calling me for dinner, so there's that.
Free audio post production by alphonic.com.